Hey everyone, this is your trainer from the Electronic Service Division of the Yakima County Library. In this segment, I'm going to talk about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a command under the Home tab in the Styles group. This command can give you a visual analysis of your raw data to detect critical issues and identify patterns and trends by applying formatting, such as color bars, data bars, or icon set. For example, in this 6 months worth of data, you have so many raw data here which do not give you any clue on which is the lowest number, which is the highest number, or you can't even tell how many of them more than 10,000, how many of them more than 5,000. If you want your visual analysis of your data, first of all, you need to select the data you wanted to apply the visual analysis of conditional formatting. So I'm going to select just the data alone. And by the way, when you're going to do the visual analysis, it is recommended that you do not include any of the grand total um, of the rows or the columns. In this situation, I do not have any of those. I'm good with that. So I selected the raw data I have. Then I'm going to go to the conditional formatting. I'm going to ask, give me any cell that is more than 5,000. So I'm going to click on greater than. I'm going to type in 5,000. So all the cells that have more than 5,000 has now come up with the color light red filled with dark red text. But if you do not like the color, if you want to choose another color, you can click the drop down arrow and you can choose a different color. You can click on OK on that. You can apply the another conditional formatting on the same data you just applied the first one. So I can go back there and I can going to apply another data, another conditional formatting by choosing the data bar, because I wanted to see this data bar will point out to you the bigger the data, the longer the bar color will be. So among these set, I can even tell more obviously what are the higher data and what are the lower data. So I'm going to choose the data by and I'm going to apply these contrast color. So I'm going to click on that. You can tell the longer the data bar, the bigger the number. And if you do not want any of those conditional formatting, you can go back there and you can just simply clear the rules, clear from the selected cells. By doing so, all those colors will be taken away. And that is how to apply the conditional formatting, again, to visually analyze your data. That is all for today, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.